Here's how to create Instagram story interface for your template using CapCut. First, go to Instagram story, cover the camera, and take a screenshot of the interface. Now go to CapCut, click new project, and select the material that you want to edit. Now click overlay, select the screenshot of the IG story, go to transform, and resize it to 9:16 aspect ratio. Once done, click check, adjust the overlay on the screen based on your liking, and then hit back. Go to splice and choose filter to blend it on the material. Once done, click check and hit overlay. Select the add yours green screen template. Now go to remove BG and select chroma key and drag the pointer to the green color to remove it. Now adjust the add yours template and click overlay, and then add the materials that you want to be present in your edit. Once you're happy with your materials, select the first clip and then choose animation. Click sticky note to add the effect. Now repeat the animation process and apply it to other clips. Now put the necessary text or words that you would like to appear in the intro of your template. In my case, I'll input life in August since this is a dump template. Click the text and click layers, choose all, and rearrange the text under the clips. Once done, make sure the pointer is in between the clips, hit back, and go to video effects. Scroll to blog section and choose the close-up to add that camera zoom effect. To make it more aesthetic, go to video effects, go to retro, choose leak 2, adjust to the clips, and your template should look like this. Follow for more CapCut tutorials.